Morning everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Going to do a super fast video today, just a quick propagation one, which hopefully will work on pumpkins. So yeah, I'll turn the camera around and show you what I'm doing. So this is a weird one. Not tried this before. There's the pumpkins there, and I've been taking out the side shoots, which are these, and yeah, I don't know if it's a thing or not, but I'm going to see whether I can propagate them, a bit like you can do with tomatoes. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Just make a cut under here, snip off all this lower stuff, and a little bit of that extra leaf and flower, and I'm going to stick them in some water just like that. So let's see what happens. Now, as I say, nothing too technical, literally just going to stick them in some water, see what they do, and well, if you see the video then it means it's worked. Let's see. Right, we're back. We are 9 days on, and I thought I'd just show you how I've got on these little shoots. Look at that, nice fat roots on them, and you can see they're still growing. Well, look at that one. That one's even trying to form a pumpkin on the top of it. So yeah, 9 days to root new sections of pumpkin. So that is how you can actually expand the number of pumpkins you're wanting to grow in 9 days. First time trying it, and nice and successful. So another little trick for you. So I hope you enjoyed that quick video. Super fast, super easy on how to propagate more pumpkins from, well, basically doing some side shooting. But yeah, that's it, job done. If you've got any questions, send them over to me and I'll answer them for you. Keep subscribing if you like what I'm doing. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on future videos that I'm doing. And yeah, most importantly, enjoy your gardening, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.